Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study online courses effectively. First, let's set you up for success. Designate a quiet, distraction-free area for your studies, perhaps a desk with good lighting. Then, create a consistent weekly study schedule, treating it like an important appointment. Finally, ensure all your course materials, like textbooks or digital resources, are ready before each session. This preparation lays a strong foundation for your learning journey. Next, let's talk about engaging with your course material. Don't just passively read, actively take detailed notes, summarizing key concepts in your own words. Make sure to participate in online discussions, sharing your insights and asking questions. This interaction deepens your understanding. Regularly test yourself with practice questions or quizzes to reinforce what you've learned and identify areas needing more attention. Effective time management and motivation are crucial for online learning. Break down large assignments into smaller, manageable tasks to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Set realistic, achievable goals for each study session and track your progress to stay on track. Don't forget to reward yourself for achieving milestones, whether it's a short break or a favorite snack. This positive reinforcement helps maintain your drive. Finally, remember you're not alone in your online learning journey. Utilize your instructor's office hours for clarification and connect with peer groups for collaborative study and support. There are also many excellent free online learning resources available, like Khan Academy or GCF Global, to supplement your studies. And for an easy way to manage your meals, check out the link in the description for these leak-proof containers, along with other great deals. Don't hesitate to seek help and explore all available tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.